Today, we will talk about how to start a woodworking business. Let's have a look at the details. Woodworking is an undeniably profitable industry. For those who are highly skilled, woodworking is a lucrative industry. Starting your own woodworking business is rewarding for 3 reasons. You are your own boss when opening a woodworking business. Starting a woodworking business provides an amazing revenue stream. Opening a woodworking business connects you with your community and other business owners. Step 1. Develop your woodworking skills. The first step to starting a successful woodworking business is to develop your woodworker skills. You should also check to see if your area has any woodworking businesses where you can become a member and participate in woodworker workshops and classes. If you really want to know how to start a woodworking business, there is no better way to learn than from a small woodworking business owner. Step 2. Ideas for starting a woodworking business. In addition to developing the skills necessary when opening a woodworking business, you'll also need to decide what kind of woodworking business you will open. Woodworking businesses typically fall into several categories: custom furniture business, cabinetry business, craft business, carpentry business, business focused on finishing work, woodworking incubator. Which type of woodworking business you want to start will probably be impacted by the demand for the service or products in your area. Step 3. Identify the ideal target market. When starting any type of business, you must identify your ideal target market, understand that market well, and know how to reach them if you want your woodworking business to succeed. If you build a solid enough client base, your business will reap long-term benefits from it. Step 4. Create a woodworking business plan. Use the knowledge you compiled in Step 2 to create a comprehensive woodworking business plan for your woodworking shop. The SBA offers a helpful video guide for constructing a business plan. You can check the description box for the best woodworking business course. Step 5. Figure out your funding sources and budget. There are 2 essential financial components when it comes to starting your own business: budgeting and finding funding. Budgeting. Similar to budgeting in your personal life, creating and maintaining a professional budget is a vital component of starting a successful business. Funding. You should have figured out how much funding you need based on the budget for your woodworking business. For funding, you'll typically want to know how you will cover at least enough to cover the startup costs and the first year's operating expenses. Step 6. Pick a woodworking business name. There are several key components that go into the creation of a good woodworking business name. Step 7. Create a legal structure for a woodworking business. When starting any business, you absolutely have to sort out the legalities. This isn't the fun part, but it is required if you want your business to take off. Step 8. How to start a woodworking business. Here's the deal: starting a woodworking business requires a lot of legwork. You can't run a successful woodworking business without considering finding a location, purchasing tools and equipment, materials costs, implementing the business systems, following safety and ethical business practices, establishing a pricing structure, worker training, office systems and management, computer-aided design, public relations, sales, conflict resolution, shop safety, and production design. Step 9. Have a solid brand and marketing strategy. Having both a strong brand and a working marketing strategy in place for your business is crucial if you want to see real profit growth. Step 10. Make your business stand out. Money flows when your business grows, and your business grows when it's noticed. For a small woodworking business, finding a niche, helping others are important ways to stand out from the competition and distinguish yourself as a worthy competitor in the industry. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.